I don't even have to go to Philly. Actually, I will. I'm gonna catch this thing on 2 stations. Actually, you know what? Let's just do this.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Canton County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Knox County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, North Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Norristown, or 12 miles northwest of Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. 60 miles. Source, public. Impact,
Public.
damage. Source, sighting, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Edesham, Mount Laurel, Norristown, Willingboro, Bedford, Knoxville, West Norton, East Norton, Lumberton, Florence, Yetton, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, and Minnetonka, Bristol. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 6A, New Jersey Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 319 and 359, between mile markers Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 27, Northeast Extension between Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 19 and 40, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 348, mile markers 3 Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 34 and 51, Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1, Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 4, Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 19.
Oh my.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for hundreds of...
For God's sake.
Repeating.
Don't scare me like that. 2 stations again. I'll just chill here.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 7:15 p.m. northern New Jersey. At 6:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tatum to near Bridgewater, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour, hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, sighting, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Carterville, Holdall, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Potomac, and Jamesburg. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 9 and 12, Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 20 and 42, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 30, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 112 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for Hunterdon, southwestern Warren, northwest.
A freaking marine warning.
Temperatures and high humidity. p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles west of South Amboy to near Huntington Bay to near the Race, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near South Oyster Bay, Fire Island Inlet and East Bay around 7:05 p.m. Jones Beach, Jones Inlet and Little Bay around 7:10 p.m. Buoy 44,017 around 7:40 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
An SMW right there?
The following is an excessive heat statement from the National Weather Service.
Come on, New York. Law enforcement, thunderstorm windows. Oof.
Chronic health problems or mental health conditions.
What the? Well, that was sus. Alright, let's see here.
South winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up.
Matt Station has never done this.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, New York Manhattan County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dobbs Ferry to Flushing to Huguenot, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Jamaica and New Rochelle around 6:30 p.m. Valley Stream and Port Chester around 6:35 p.m.
Yeah.
Long Beach and Glen Cove around 6:40 p.m. Levittown and Freeport around 6:45 p.m. Plainview and Massapequa around 6:50 p.m. Huntington Station and Lindenhurst around 6:55 p.m. Brentwood and Comic around 7 p.m. Iceland and Halpont around 7:05 p.m. Center Reach and Ronkonkoma around 7:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have a history of producing wind damage across northeast New Jersey. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen and Union.
Oh my god, it's a marine warning again.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Upper New York Harbor to near Raritan Bay to 16 nautical miles west of South Amboy, moving southeast at 45 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be preceded by a strong squall of wind with gusts of 40 to 50 knots possible. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, airport observations. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seagirt Reef, Leonardo, Atlantic Highlands, Barna, Getlight Reef, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Fort River, Fairhaven, Lavalette, Barna, Getlight, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Mena, Squam Inlet, Pine Beach, and Sandy Hook Reef.
How wide is
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Miles. Holy crap, that scared me. I don't even know what the alert is. Oh, an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York until 10 p.m. At 9 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Union to near East Brunswick, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Jeez, look at this.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to
Where's
vehicles
East
is possible.
Brunswick? I don't see East Brunswick.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Elizabeth and Linden around 9:15 p.m. Port Richmond around 9:25 p.m. Todd Hill and Huguenot around 9:30 p.m. Tompkinsville and Oakwood around 9:35 p.m. The Verrazano Narrows Bridge and Bay Ridge around 9:40 p.m. Coney Island around 9:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Then why wasn't one
Do
issued?
not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Union, New Jersey.
Not Holly.
A severe thunderstorm.
There you go. 12 seconds after the end of the SVR message. IAMBot said marine warning. Nice. Alright, let's see.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 10
Took them
p.m.
a long time.
At 9:00 p.m., a cluster of strong thunderstorms extended from near the Verrazano
At
Narrows
what?
Bridge to 6
Oh.
nautical miles northwest of Raritan Bay to near South Amboy, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong
Holy crap, we're gonna
thunderstorms will be
get
near
it.
the Verrazano Narrows Bridge around 9:15 p.m. Lower New
An
York Harbor
alert
and
on
Raritan
KIH 26. Well, there's that one. Poop. Let me see.
possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service
I'll just double header on WXM60.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey,
They're both the same
northwestern
message.
Middlesex County in northern New Jersey.
So I'll pause this so this can play.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandbrook, or 17 miles southeast of Easton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing 60 miles per hour wind gusts in the Lehigh Valley. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible.
Discord.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Somerville, Somerset, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Manville, Flemington, High Bridge, Clinton, Hopewell, Fronttown, Lebanon, Rocky Hill, Millstone, Skillman, Flagtown, Kingston, and Plainsboro Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 38. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 7 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Huntington, Mercer, Middlesex and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.